morning, afternoon and good evening to all. This is Vinod from iSynth Academy YouTube channel and you are watching Excel User Series 3.0. In today's class we are about to create a build-up formula for creating a cross-tab data structure. I am about to build a data using the dynamic array function called unique and transpose today. And there will be the next video which will allow you to learn more about a wrap column and a wrap row. It's another new formula available in Office 365. Let's see how to do this. And I'm about to create a column list and a row list which is unique. So I'm going to use a unique formula here. So I'm going to come down here. I'll just use a unique function. Again, if you are using Office 2021 19 and Office 365, you will see this. If you don't see this, probably you either need to update your Office application or you have to go for a new subscription on Office 365. So let's see how to do that. I'm going to go and add all my names here. I've already formatted the names. In the same way, I'm going to create a unique here for the list. And again, this time the unique will come in a different dimension altogether for me. And I'm going to create the transpose in front of my units. So that's going to transpose the data into a list here. So this is how I can create a unique data set either in a column or in a row dimension using Office 365 user series. So catch me up on the second video, continuation video, where we can do a wrap data set in this list. Let's see how to do that in my next video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you didn't subscribe my channel, and happy learning.